Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be reviewing Bristro acrylic colors. I'll also be swatching the shades. This is not a sponsored video. I have shared my experiences and thoughts of using this product. This is how it looks like. So let's move on to the video. This is a set of 24 colors. They come in tubes. They come in 12 ml tubes. This is the painting I have created using these colors. I've purchased this product from Amazon. You can also purchase this from creativehands.com. They are the distributors for this product. Bristro also has watercolors, gouache colors, and they have a range of brushes and papers too. So I'll be trying out all of those. So I'm really excited to try all of those. So this is my first Bristro product. So I have shared my thoughts and experience. In this video, I'll also be showing you how to create a painting using this product. It will be a time-lapse video. And now for the tubes. This is the size of the tube. I find this tube very easy and convenient to handle. They come in 12 ml tubes like these. They are color coded, and I guess the tubes are made up of metal or aluminium, and the cap is really good and it's very sturdy. I find very easy and convenient to use these tubes compared to bottles. The texture and formulation of this product are very creamy and light. That's what I like about this product because they make my blending work really very easy and convenient. Blending work is most important part of acrylic painting or any painting for that matter. So the formulation of the paints matter a lot for that because they have to be light. If they are too thick, you keep on wasting your time adding the mediums. You keep on wasting time diluting it to bring it to the right consistency. But for this product, I feel it is already in a right consistency. I might have to add more mediums or more mediums like water or acrylic mediums to make it sheer. Only to make it sheer, not to actually easily blendable or glide on my paper or canvas. That's what I feel. I really like the formulation of this paint. Now talking about the pigments, pigment is very important in any kind of paint. If it's too dull, you don't know what to do, you can't make it really more pigmented, but at the same time when it's too pigmented, you keep on trying to tone it down. So I think this has a really good amount of pigments in this, and they're not too bright or too dull. So I don't have to end up toning it down or making it brighter. That's what I feel. So it's really good. I have like here 4 shades of green. These are the 4 shades of green. Oops. These are 4 shades of green. So I also have 4 shades of red. So it's really very nice when you don't have to mix the perfect shade and you already get that shade in the packet, as it is a pack of 24 colors, and you slightly have to make changes here and there, tone it down with grays, blacks, whites. So it's like that. So pigment is really good in this. I don't have to worry about any kind of dullness or over bright or very gaudy kind of colors in this. This is really very nice to use. I purchased this product for 765 rupees on Amazon. I think it's a fair price for the kind of quality they are giving. I really like the product, and they are really worth buying for any beginner artist. And at 765 is very reasonable for this kind of quality product. So I will recommend this product to whoever would like to buy an acrylic, a good quality acrylic paints for beginning their painting practice or their painting hobby. So I really would like to give a very good thumbs up for this product. I really like it. So please go ahead if you would like to buy this product, and I'll leave the link below of Amazon of this product, so you can buy that. Now let's move on to the swatches and also the painting, demo painting from using this product. So I hope you all enjoyed the video.